Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Working on Voice of the Night Bugatti. We are in phase 8, and today we are going to be doing steps 748 to 751, and we're putting on the bars that support the hood to the dash. It's really quick. Here's the pieces we will be using to do those steps. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button for videos that come out. I post every day, sometimes 2 or 3 times a day, and there will be more builds coming as soon as the Bugatti is done. I plan on doing a Lamborghini special. So with that, let's put these together.
Afterwards, we learned that there was a possibility because he had cuts on his hands, his forehead. He had.
And there's our support bar. Some of these are really slippery. So they like to slide out your fingers. And there's our second one. Now we can put them on our car. And there we have it, guys. We have our bar connected. And then on the next video to come, we will be putting on the wing right here and mirrors. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all my subscribers, and I hope you have a good day. Later.